Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share all the details about the OP Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarship, and I will tell you my experience how I won this national level scholarship, and this video will be definitely helpful for those who are eligible to apply for it. Okay, so I am going to tell you each and every detail of it. Okay, so before starting, request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see all the eligibility, how to apply, important dates, and the amount of scholarship. Okay, so we will move to one website, that is OP Gems. Okay, so type OP Gems in your website and click on it. You will see the website of a OP Gems. Click on it, and this is the main page. Click on the about OP Gems and click on the eligibility criteria. So in the eligibility criteria, you can see that for the engineering institute who can apply, the first three toppers from each year of stream can only apply. Okay, so if you are the first three topper of your stream, then only you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. And the branches that are eligible are civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgical engineering. Remember that the computer science engineering branch is not eligible to apply for this scholarship. Okay, this is for the engineering institute. Next we will see for the management institute. If you are the first 10 toppers from each year of management, then you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so we will see the list of participating institutes. So every year these are the institutes that are participating in this scholarship. These are the engineering institute. You can see the list of the engineering institute. There are several IITs, NITs, BITs, and OPJU. So if you are the student of these institute, then only you can apply for this scholarship. Okay, and for the management institute, these are the list of the management institute. If you are from the any one of this institute, if you are the student of these institute, then you can surely apply for this scholarship if you are the first three topper for the engineering student and first 10 topper for the management student. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria that you have to know. Next we will see the procedure to apply. Okay, so click on the back button and you will be redirected to this main page. Next, again click on the about OP Gems and click on the process of selection. You will get this page. Okay, so this is the page for the process of selection. There are two phases, the first phase and the second phase. In the first phase there are two subcategories, that is the business proposal. First one is the business proposal, second one is the online test. Okay, so you have to make an attractive business proposal of maximum 10 slides. Okay, in which you have to present one one innovative solution, or you have the feasibility of that solution also. You cannot make a hypothetical solution, you have that feasibility of this solution. Okay, so this is the business proposal. You have to submit it on the 15th September. Okay, so the next stage is the online stage. Okay, online test. In the online test, they will test the behavior of your, means the psychometric test, and the general awareness about the Jindal. Okay, in this test there are two stages. First one is the psychometric test and the second one is the Jindal awareness test. Okay, and the duration of this test, they will give you 1 hour and you have to complete it in the 1 hour test. Okay, next, if you get selected in the phase 1 result will be based on both the business proposal and the online test marks. Okay, so if you clear the phase 1, then you are eligible for the phase 2. Phase 2 is the interview round. There are 3 to 4 panel member and they will take your interview. So my interview was the video conferencing interview. So this, if you clear this interview, then you will get the result on the 31st October. In the previous year, this year the dates may get changed. Okay, but you get the result in the 10 to 20 days gap of phase 2. If you give the interview, then after 10 to 20 days you will get the result. Okay, so these are the stages of OP Gems engineering and management scholarship. Next we will press the back button, and again we come to this main website and again click on about OP Gems. You will see the award of scholarship. Okay, click on it, and this is the this is the medal you will get after you win this scholarship. So for the management students, amount of scholarship is 1.5 lakh per student, and for the engineering students the amount is 80,000 per student. Okay, so this is the amount of a scholarship you will get. If you clear this scholarship phases, then you can get the 80,000 for if you are engineering student, and 1.5 lakh if you are management student. Okay, and you will get this medal and the certificate also. So these are the award of scholarship. Next we will see the total number of scholarship. So the total number of scholarship is 100, 80 for the engineering student and 20 for the management student. Okay, so these are the complete details of the OP Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarship. I hope this video will help you. If you want the video on how to prepare the effective business proposal for OP GEMS, or how to clear Jindal awareness and psychometric test, and the tips to crack the personal interview and my experience of OP GEMS, you can comment me in the comment section. I will make a separate video for you. Thank you.